Shenzhen ZHONGTIAN Door Company Limited, founded in 2004 with total assets of $3 million and a land area of 6,800 square meters. The group is located in Henggang, Xikeng Industrial Area, Longgang County, Shenzhen City. It enjoys a good production and multiple express freeways to the west, north, and east, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Shenzhen ZHONGTIAN Door Company Limited specializes in the production of residential garage doors, motors, rails, and related accessories. We supply the ODM and OEM service. Our company can manufacture garage door opener with different force, power, and operation speed, and rails with different structure, length, and thickness according to the client's special requests. The opener is popular, used in both residential and commercial settings, such as household garage for 1 car and 2 cars, and doors for industrial uses including warehouses, storage spaces, with an annual production capacity of 150,000 sets, and sell to Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, etc. More than 30 customers. Our products have passed and earned multiple international certifications, including CE, ROS, RCM, SAA, which ensure the stable quality for our customers. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.